Hi guys, welcome to Computer Tech Videos. Today I am going to show you guys the demonstration of how to deploy Windows 10 using Windows deployment services. Okay, first I have made one diagram to show you our setup. I will go open that up for you. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's quite a simple diagram, just for education purposes. So this here is our domain controller, this one here, and the IP address I have given it as 10.0.0.1. Name of the domain is airfish.kiwi, and the second one is deployment server, from which the deployment will be done. All WDS and everything will be installed on this server, and deployment will be done from this point. So this IP address I've given it is 10.0.0.3, and this will be connected. That will be the computer 1, that will be the terminal on which the Windows will be deployed. The IP address for this will be chosen from DHCP pool, which is actually on the scope is configured on the domain controller. Okay, now I'll show you the computers and the machines I have installed on my virtual machine. So this is my DC controller, which is airfish.kiwi. It has already been set up, and that is my deployment server FS. Both of them are running. I've added an extra administrator account with the name of CSOP. So what we will go ahead and do is I will go onto my deployment server, sorry, which is this, and I will log on as sysop. Okay. Okay. So first, what we need to do is, so this deployment server is already joined onto the domain, which I will show you in a moment. And what we are going to do, firstly, we are going to install WDS, which is Windows Development Server, Deployment Server. So if I show you this here, so this is already connected with the domain. So what we need to do that, to install Windows Deployment Server, is we need to go to Manage, Add Roles and Features. Then we go to Next, Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation. Go to Next, that's the server we are going to install it on. And now if we go down, this is what we are looking for, Windows Deployment Services. Okay, Add Feature, and then we go Next. There is nothing else we need to install from here. So next, Deployment Server and Transport Server. Next, we don't need to restart it, we'll just install it. Okay, I will skip the video to the part where it is all installed. Okay, so here we can see that feature installation is finished. We'll just close this, and now what we're going to do, we're going to add a extra disk where we can copy all our resources which we are going to use. Okay, and we are going to create a remote install folder on that disk. We don't really want to use C drive for this because Windows are running on that. It is nice to have a separate drive for the remote install folder which we are going to create. So what I'm going to do is I am going to close this. I'm going to stop this, shut down the server. Now it's all shut down. We'll just go to the settings, go to storage, add, create new. 50 gigs will be more than enough, and press OK. Now what we will do, we will start this again, server.